Alright, we're here at the Aloft hotel. We switched hotels recently since due to the thermostat and Moxy not even changing. Here's the view outside. Well, these are Otis Series 5s from 2012. Let's see which one will come. Looks like this one's coming up.
Going down.
There's also L1 over here. I think this might be some. That might stop. Let's get a 1. And there you go. I think. I wonder if L1 leads us outside though.
First floor.
Let's get up first.
Going down.
Let's go up. Let's get up. Right, we are back again. We just exited out. Got VR buttons. I'm assuming some will come. This one came again. It tells me
Going up.
here's the. I gotta press. I'll just take a cab view of this thing.
Second floor.
Fixtures.
Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
Going up.
It's the museum. This has here's a view door. Has a view piano as well.
Sixth floor.
I'm assuming when I open here, it's no, I guess.
Going down.
There it goes. That's it.